We can see we can see back in time to about, I don't know, about 10 or 12 billion years, which we think, if you kind of extrapolate, which is probably to a time when the universe is only about 400,000 years old. The question deals with different kinds of black holes. He's asking, were there any black holes formed during the time of the Big Bang? Right now we don't know, but there are people that are looking into that, trying to find evidence of black holes formed at that early time. As far as I know, that hasn't been sorted out.
Well, that hasn't been sorted out, but that's actually a good question, because there were some theorists who believe that in the very early universe there may have been mini or micro black holes that formed. You may have heard when they were first trying to switch on the Large Hadron Collider that people were talking about these micro black holes forming, and they would fall to the center of the Earth and destroy the Earth. Well, fortunately, though, Stephen Hawking, back to his radiation, well, it turns out if you have a small black hole, it doesn't exist for very long because it loses its mass very, very quickly. Whereas these big supermassive black holes, the effect, the background radiation that it's emitting, it's a very low effect. It actually falls off. It's like, I can't remember, it's something like 1 over mass. So the more massive something gets, the less radiation it gives off. So it's a small effect for a big black hole, but a very large effect for a small black hole. Now, the most massive black holes that we think were probably formed in the Big Bang should actually be exploding around this time. And no one's actually observed a black hole exploding yet. So it's a theory. There's no data to actually support the theory yet. That doesn't mean that tomorrow we won't observe our first one.